I will show you how to get the best motivation of your life. Ready to ignite that spark? Let's go. Your dreams need you. They're out there, waiting for you to take that next step. Remember, dreams don't work unless you do. Every step forward, no matter how small, is a step closer to your success. Embrace the journey, celebrate the progress, and keep pushing forward. When the going gets tough, remind yourself why you started. Picture the finish line. Feel the joy of achieving your goals. Each challenge is just a stepping stone, a reminder that you're growing, evolving, and getting stronger. So when you hit a roadblock, don't stop. Take a deep breath, find your inner strength, and keep moving. The path to success is rarely straight, but every twist and turn teaches you something valuable. Believe in yourself, stay committed, and remember, your dreams need you. Keep pushing forward, and soon enough, you'll turn those dreams into reality. You've got this.